Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 9 struggles for equality. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you want to watch more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in the description box. Viewers, please comment in the comment section and tell me where from you are watching these videos and what more you want to watch on this channel. Let's start today's video. First question is, people in India are discriminated because of dash background as well as because they are women. Answer is social and cultural. Because of social and cultural backgrounds and because of women they are discriminated. Next question is, Tava Matsya Sangh was an organization fighting for the rights of the dash forest dwellers of Satpura forest. Answer is displaced. They were fighting for the rights of the displaced people. Next question is, the Indian Constitution recognizes the dash of all persons. Answer is equality. Indian Constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. Next question is, movement and struggles for dash in India continuously refer to the Indian Constitution to make their point about equality and justice for all. Answer is equality. Movement and struggles for equality in India continuously refer Indian Constitution. Next question is, issues of equality are dash to a democracy. Answer is central. Issues of equality are central to a democracy. Next question is, the dignity and self-respect of each person and their community can only be realized if they have dash to support and nurture their families without discrimination. Answer is adequate resources. Adequate resources. Next question is, continuous reference of Indian Constitution for equality and justice has made it a dash document. Answer is living. Continuous reference to Indian Constitution for equality made it living document. Next question is, Tehri Dam is situated in dash. Answer is Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam is situated in Uttarakhand. Next question is, the issues raised by Tava Matsya Sangh was the right to continue dash from the river Tawa for their livelihood. Answer is catching fish. They wanted the right for catching fish for their livelihood. Next question is, TMS is a federation of dash. Answer is fishermen. TMS was a federation of fishermen. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.